Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show to you how to create a ProtonMail account. So the first step is to simply open any browser and search for Proton and then click on the first link that pops up. And then what you'll have to do next is simply click on create a free account, and then here you'll have to simply choose any of these available plans. So I'm going to go with this one here, which is Proton free. And then what you'll have to do next is to simply create your Proton account by entering your username. So here you have to simply enter username. So I'm going to enter a random username. Then here you have to create your password and then simply repeat the password. So make sure to put in the correct password here and create a strong password, and then simply click on create account. And then the last step is to verify your that you're not a robot. So let's solve this puzzle, and basically that's all you have to do. As you can see, creating your account, and basically you're done. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.